home, heart, and healing. They were strangers when we met, 6 across 3 generations, squeezed into a dark Fullerton townhome with endless stairs. The grandparents ached, Joy felt distant, and the house was just a place to sleep. For 8 weekends, I hosted open houses at a peaceful, single-story in Brea, hoping for the right match. Then, near Diwali, they walked in. The children darted into the yard, laughter echoing. The grandmother's hand lingered on the granite countertop, her eyes misty as she whispered, "This feels like India." They asked me to represent them, not just as a realtor, but as someone who understood where they came from and what they needed. I negotiated the purchase, gave part of my commission to help them close, and on Diwali weekend, brought Indian sweets and a Ganesha idol to bless their new home. The grandmother froze, tears brimming, saying, "That's exactly what I was going to bring." It was more than a transaction, it was the start of a new chapter. Later, I convinced them not to sell their old townhome. Today, it's a cash-flowing rental. The $1 million Brea house is now worth $1.4 million, but more importantly, they found healing and family in the home scented with cardamom and memories.